Hello and moin moin. As promised, today we're working on the new RV lock that finally came out for our RV. So with that, let's go to the install. Well, unpackaging first. Okay, let's see what's in the box. Product manual and stickers. Who needs that? Accessories. Keys. Remotes. Charging cable. Deadbolts and some tools. And the adjuster that we probably don't need. And a very heavy lock. Anything else? Nope, that's it. Alright, let's start with removing the old lock. Cap off. Remove the screws. That becomes so easy. Some grease on there. Out with the old. Now we'll clean this mess up here a little bit with some rubbing alcohol. Plus there's some dirt. Might as well take a chance and clean this up a little bit. Nobody here. This thing is hollow and that's why it's cold. Shh. All right. Now let's take this lug apart so we can install the right parts and put it in, right? Let's undo one screw here. The other two are not in there right now. They are in the back. Let's see which deadbolt we have to use. All right, let's fit lock. Oh, well, these doors here, I think the short deadbolt is just fine. And I think I'm right. As you can see, the deadbolt fits, and on our doors we don't have the adjustment, so we don't need to worry about that. Seems to be just fine. Let's work on the rest. Okay, plug this in.
Welcome to RV Lock.
Gotta line this thing up here a little bit. There we go. Easier said than done. So if your wife does sleep in a lot, like mine, you can do it yourself. I hope I'm not proving myself wrong. Thanks. There's definitely some resistance there. Not as easy going as the original lock, but it feels good. All right. That works too. That works too. Now we go inside and make sure it really works, right? All right, let's make sure this works. Locked, unlocked, and it feels like it's a little easier than with the old lock, so I like that. Now let's make sure we can do that from the outside. All right, with that we're from the outside, as you can see, open and close just fine. Locked. Doesn't lock. 2, 3, 4. And opens. And we're good. All right, let's program the new code, because we're not gonna keeping 1, 2, 3, 4, are we?
Enter new code, then press lock.
One, 2, 3, 4.
Enter new code, then press lock.
1, 2, 3, 4.
New code accepted.
Let's see if 1, 2, 3, 4 works, right? One, 2, 3, 4. Oh, look at that, works. Is it really 1, 2, 3, 4? All right, let's teach it the remote.
Connect your remote. Remote connected.
That was number 1. Now we're getting number 2. Yeah, no. Small campground here. Same thing with the other one.
Connect your remote. Remote connected.
Let's see if it works, right? It works. Sweet. I like that. Oh, and there's a key too. I guess we'll hide that one somewhere on the RV. So with that, pretty easy install. Took a little longer because I had to handle the cameras. That's pretty much it. Oh, let's try out this funky key. Because I noticed that it goes in and out a little bit rough. And that goes for both of them. They work, but getting it in and out is a little tough. But I'm reinstalling this to get rid of the keys, so we should be okay. With that, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.